Have you ever wondered what makes 303 stainless steel such a popular choice for precision machined parts? Well, 303 stainless steel is a type of austenitic stainless steel that contains chromium and nickel, which makes it highly corrosion resistant and easy to machine. At Forte Precision Metals, we specialize in providing precision ground 303 stainless steel round bars that are perfect for a wide range of applications. From automotive parts to aerospace components, our 303 stainless steel round bars are used in many critical applications that require high precision and reliability. With our state-of-the-art centerless grinding service, we can provide you with the perfect 303 round bar that meets your exact specifications and requirement. So, whether you're looking for a reliable supplier of 303 stainless steel round bars or need precision grinding services, visit our website today to learn more and get in touch with our team of experts. Forte Precision Metals, your trusted source for precision ground bars.